For today's makeup look, we're doing this pink, sparkly, and pearl makeup look. First, I used black eyeliner and created this sort of graphic wing shape. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette, I'm using this purple shade and filling in the shape. Then using that same palette, I'm using the purple sparkly shade and putting this over top. Then I'm lining the top lashes with eyeliner and connecting it with a wing on the outer corners. Then filling in the lower waterline with black eyeliner. Then using my Color Glitter Gel palette, I'm using this sort of purple shade of glitter. But then I eventually go over top of this with sort of a white glitter. Then I'll be adding pearl rhinestones, trying to keep both sides as even as possible. Adding some to the inner corner, then a few underneath the inner eye. Then some near the outer wing. A few underneath the outer corner of the eye. And then a few small ones near the eyebrows. And that completes this pink sparkly pearl makeup look. I really like the combination of the graphic liner with the sparkles and the pearls. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.